We'll guide you through how to turn off the lock screen on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So as you can see at the moment, when I go and press the side button, the screen lights up, it comes onto the lock screen. I can then swipe up and go and enter in my PIN. What I want to do here though is go and turn this off and remove it. So we go and press the side button to turn it on, we get taken straight to the home screen. So that is going to go and remove the security on the phone. So just consider, without the security, anybody can just go onto your phone, start looking at your texts, going on any apps you have, your social media, and potentially other sensitive and private information. So do just consider that. It does go and make your device a lot less secure. But if you're sure you want to do this, we can go and get into it. So what you need to do is go and swipe up like so, and we need to go and locate the settings. So you can swipe across to go and find it, or alternatively, you can press search at the top and go and type in settings and go and open it up. Now in settings, what you want to do is you need to go and scroll down, and you want to go and find the option for a lock screen. As you can see, there it is. What you can then do is go and press screen lock type. At the top, you then need to go and enter in the current PIN or the current method you've got. So in my case, I've got a PIN, so I can enter that in. And then I'll go and remove one and press continue. And here we are. So to go and turn it off and remove it, all you need to do is go and set it to none at the bottom. And as you can see, the screen lock type's now set to none. So I can come out of here and close it. Now when I go and press the side button, it'll go and turn off. And when I press it again, you go and see it comes straight onto the home screen. We successfully turned off and removed the lock screen. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more.